So how did I earn £10.22 in a day doing nothing? And what if I was to tell you I actually invested £297.03 and I've made £44.36 in the course of 13 days. I think you'll agree that's incredibly exciting. I do apologize if I don't sound excited. I'm extremely tired, but I am very excited because this is absolutely amazing. It's a godsend. I was very lucky and fortunate to have known somebody who had shown me the results, somebody I know and trust, and I was given the opportunity to join at a discounted price, which I did. So if you want to find out how you can set this up for yourself and make some profits for yourself, then just make sure to check the link in the description. I've left a link that will take you to the offer, the original offer that I took advantage of, because the creators have decided to extend the offer until Christmas Day. So if you're watching it up until around Christmas time, you are very much in luck, because they've decided to extend it, like I said. So check the link. You see other people's results in that link as well. And I hope that you haven't missed the deadline. So yes, do make sure to check my other videos, because I intend to post others over the next few days and months, just so you can see what this can do for you. And if you haven't, make sure to also check other videos that I've posted showing my initial results. So yes, I will see you in the next video.